If you can hear that, this is wind. See the trees. This is the sky, what it looks like now. Yeah. The lake is really high now. I'm outside for a little while. Wow, the lake is full. I don't know if you can see the lake, but it is that high now. I'm out of the shot so you can see behind me. The pool is way high, and all what you're hearing is wind. You can see the tree. Yeah, that's wind. Wow. This is wind you're hearing. I think the rain is gonna come soon. Yep, the rain is coming now with the wind. Yep. And this is what everything is looking like. Going back inside to stay safe. Anybody out there who's in Florida and you're witnessing any of this weather, strong winds, ooh, please stay safe, stay safe, stay safe. I am going back inside.